Nolo Legal Guides Pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people think learning about legal issues requires expensive consultations or complicated research, but the surprising truth is that Nolo provides affordable, easy-to-understand guides for individuals and small businesses. Nolo offers a variety of digital and print guides priced between and each. These cover topics like estate planning, small business law, landlord-tenant issues, and intellectual property. Many guides come in both ebook and physical formats. Nolo also offers a membership option at $99 per month, which gives access to all guides, legal updates, and certain templates. For example, a small business owner can use Nolo's guides to understand how to form an LLC, draft contracts, and comply with employment laws, all without hiring a lawyer. Each guide breaks down complex legal concepts into plain language, step-by-step instructions and sample forms, making it practical for real-world application. In conclusion, Nolo Legal Guides deliver strong value by providing clear, actionable legal information at an affordable price. Whether you need guidance for personal or business matters, Nolo equips you with the knowledge to make informed legal decisions efficiently and confidently.